and a very warm welcome to my channel. This is Cassie. So in today's video, I'll be going ahead and swatching all of my red lipsticks that I own in my lipstick collection, and which has to be only 6 red lipsticks because I am not a huge sucker for red lipsticks. I'm always drawn towards nude brown toned lipsticks, but these are the only 6 lipsticks that I have in my lipstick collection apart from the Misho lip kit, and I'm not including that lip kit in this video. It's because I have already done a dedicated video on that lip kit, so I will definitely go ahead and leave a link to that video at the end of this video, so make sure that you check that out. And also I do have a dupe for the MAC Ruby Woo. If you know about the lipsticks, if you know about makeup, then I think you would know what Ruby Woo is. Ruby Woo from MAC is one of the lipstick shade that is so loved by so many people or so many makeup lovers, and I was one of them, and I do have that MAC Ruby Woo in my collection, but I also have a dupe for that because I know MAC lipsticks are very expensive. So I do have a dupe for the MAC Ruby Woo. So if you want to know what that dupe is, then make sure that you watch the video till the end. And before we start with the video, if you are someone who is new to my channel, hi, my name is Cassie. Please come and join this tiny little family by just hitting that red subscribe button down below this video, and also don't forget to press the bell icon right besides the subscribe button, because that is how you will get notified every time I upload a video and you don't miss out on my videos. And now, without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So the first lipstick in my lipstick collection has to be this one right here. This is the L'Oreal Paris Signature Rouge lipstick, and this is in the shade called Armored 136, and this retails for 650 rupees. And let me tell you that this is such a beautiful shade, and I absolutely love the applicator of this because this has this beautiful pointy kind of an applicator wherein I can go ahead and draw my outline with this as well, so I don't need another extra lip liner. I can just go ahead and use the pointed tip of this and line my lips. I absolutely love this because I love the way it feels on my lips. It definitely feels so comfortable on my lips, and that is what I love about this lipstick. So the second lipstick that I own in my lipstick collection is this one right here. This is the In Color Matte Me Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade called 402, and this retails for 265 rupees. And let me tell you that I absolutely love this shade. Is this beautiful dark red shade, but what I don't like about this lipstick is that this is very drying on your lips. If you don't have a lip balm underneath this lipstick, then your lips will absolutely feel like dry as hell. And it is absolutely a matte lipstick and transfer proof. So the third red lipstick that I have in my lipstick collection is this one right here. This is the My Glam Lit Liquid Matte Lipstick, and this is in the shade called DM Slide, and this retails for 395. Such a gorgeous red shade, and let me tell you, the texture, I mean the feel of this lipstick on my lips feels like velvet. It's absolutely matte and transfer proof, and also this doesn't feel that drying compared to the In Color's Matte Me lipstick, but if you have a lip balm underneath, you are good to go. So the fourth red lipstick that I have in my lipstick collection is this one right here. This is the Nykaa So Matte Mini Lipstick, and this is in the shade called 30M Regal Ruby, and this retails for just 199 because it's a mini lipstick, and I think the mini is absolutely worth it. If you don't want to go ahead and spend your money on the full size product, you can go ahead and just get this mini lipstick under 200 rupees. So you can get the best out of your money that you spend on the lipstick. I mean, you can go ahead and use it up before it expires. The fifth red lipstick that I own in my lipstick collection is this one right here. This is the MAC Retro Matte Lipstick, and this is in the shade called Ruby Woo, and this retails for 1750. That is, I absolutely love this shade. I wanted to get my hands on this shade from so long, and I finally have this shade with me. And this doesn't dry out your lips. This is like a matte lipstick in a bullet form. So if you are not a huge fan of liquid matte lipsticks, you can definitely go for this bullet lipsticks. Also, the staying power of this lipstick is absolutely good, and it does fades a little if you eat or drink or anything. After a few hours, the lipstick kind of fades away, but you can always go ahead and retouch it. So the last and the final red lipstick that I own in my lipstick collection is this one right here, and this lipstick is definitely a dupe for the MAC Ruby Woo. This is the lipstick that I'm talking about. This is the Nykaa Mattelicious Lip Crayon in the shade called Call Me Scarlet, and this retails for $6.99. I absolutely love using this lip crayon. If I'm not in a mood for a matte liquid lipstick, this is the lipstick that I go for, and this is such a beautiful red shade, and this will suit so many skin tones. The formula of this particular lip crayon is very creamy and glides on your lips like butter. Even this one fades a little if you eat or drink, but you can always go ahead and touch it up. And now let me just go ahead and swatch this side by side for you so that you can get to know when I say the dupe for the MAC Ruby Woo, what I mean by that. So this is the MAC Ruby Woo, and this is the Mattelicious Lip Crayon in the shade called Call Me Scarlet. This is the MAC Ruby Woo, and this is the Call Me Scarlet. End this video here itself, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did like it, then please go ahead and smash that like button. It will mean a lot to me, and don't forget to take care of yourself. And also, all the information will be listed down below. I mean, the lipstick shade name, the price, and everything will be listed down below in the description box, so you can definitely check that out. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, peace and love to you all. Bye.